Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have fascination about pencil sketches, then this video is just for you. In this video, we'll learn how to turn any image into a pencil sketch. So let's begin. First of all, duplicate the layer you want to turn into a pencil sketch. Go to Adjustment Layers, then go to Black and White. Now our picture is black and white. Go to the duplicated layer and press Ctrl plus I. This will turn it into a scary looking inverted image. Go to the blend mode and set it to color dodge. We'll have to add a Gaussian blur. So to add a Gaussian blur, we'll have to go to Filter, Blur and Gaussian blur. You'll have to adjust this according to your image. The more the blur, the more it will turn into the original image. For me, 100 and 110 is good, and hit OK. We'll have to go to the top layer and go to Adjustment Layers again and add a Levels adjustment layer. So we can make this a bit darker. Drag the midtones to the white. Now it's a bit darker. On the Levels layer, press Shift, Ctrl, Alt and E. This will merge all of the layers together. In the new layer, we'll set the blend mode to multiply. This makes the whole image a lot darker. We'll have to duplicate this. So we can duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus J. On the new layer, we'll go to Filter and Filter Gallery. We'll have to go to Artistic and then select Poster Edges and set all of the thresholds to the max and hit OK. It looks a lot darker, but we only want to add this to the hair so it looks like actually a pencil sketch instead of just black and white. So to do this, we'll have to go to the layer which we added the filter on and press Alt and add a layer mask. With the layer mask selected, we'll have to take the brush tool and with the foreground color white, we'll have to paint in the black parts in the hair. We have only added it to the hair. Now with that layer selected, we'll have to press Ctrl J again until your hair darkness is at which you want it. We'll have to make the white parts of the hair a little bit darker because the contrast is not really very good. We'll have to go to the adjustment layers, then go to levels. In here, we'll not touch the midtones area. We'll go to the levels and put the white bar closer to the black bar until the white parts are at the level you want it at. I'll go to the mask of the layer and press Ctrl I. I'll mask it to the hairs again. Make sure your foreground color is white. Now our hair is a lot darkened. We'll have to press Shift, Ctrl, Alt, E to again merge all these layers together. We'll have to go to the Dodge tool and refine all the areas which look bad. Dodge tool only works on places which are darker than you want. If any part is lighter than you want, then you'll have to go to the Dodge tool again and get the burn tool instead. So now, like, the eyebrows are a little too light for me, so I'll just use the burn tool and fix it up. If I want to make the eyes brighter, I'll just have to go to the Dodge tool and make the eyes brighter. So our image has been turned into a pencil sketch. This is the before and this is the after. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.